Once there was a rainy, scary night. A man whose name was Ahmed was driving a car at that time. Suddenly, he felt some problem with his car. Ahmed pulled his car to the side of the road. The forest around him was silent, too silent. His mobile phone had lost all signal. And in that exact moment, the engine let out one final groan and went silent forever. Ahmed lifted his head. In the middle of the forest, there was a house. Old, broken, and standing there as if it had been waiting for years. The rain began to fall harder, and Ahmed took a step toward the house. The door opened by itself. And in that moment, Ahmed felt something. This house was not empty. Inside, it was completely dark, but the lantern hanging on the wall lit up on its own. There were pictures on the walls, faces of people whose eyes had been scratched out with black ink. Suddenly, one picture began to move, and its eyes came alive. The door slammed shut. Bud. Now the house was filled with whispers. Don't go back. That voice was not coming on the walls. It was coming from inside him. Then, a sound came from the stairs. Bump, bump, bump. On the last step stood a little girl. White dress, messy hair, and eyes that had never slept. Uncle, are you trapped here too? Ahmed's body went numb. What is this place? He asked. The girl smiled. This house doesn't let anyone leave. She took Ahmed into a room and said,
What is this?
This is where I was killed. Suddenly the walls began to shake. Hands came out of the floor. The picture started screaming. Black tears streamed down from the girl's eyes.
And now, this house is hungry.
Is hungry. Ahmed started running. But the corridors became longer and longer. The doors disappeared. He looked into a mirror, and there was no reflection. He himself had not become part of the house. If you ever see a house like this in a forest, remember, it is not calling you. It is waiting for you.